In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily contact Wix Customer Service support. At the moment, there is no phone number for you to contact Wix by phone, but there are two ways that you can get in touch with them. You can either open a live chat or request a callback from Wix directly. And I'll show you how easy it is to do both right now. Hi, my name is Tracey from paulandtracy.com. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe. We share tips, tutorials, and simple guides on how to create your very own website. To contact Wix, open your browser and go to wix.com/contact. You need to be logged into your Wix account for this to work. Once you're logged in, a questionnaire pops up which will ask you for more information as to what you need help with. Categorizing your issue here saves time by directing you to a specialized customer care expert. So it pays to spend a little bit of time choosing the right category. Choose the category which best matches what you're having trouble with. Let's say I'm having problems with editing my mobile layout, so I'd choose this one. If you choose the wrong category, don't worry, you can always go back by clicking Change. I'll select Mobile. From the options shown here, the closest one that matches my problem is Change Layout of the mobile site, so I'll select that one. In the search box below, Wix asks you if that solved the problem. If not, type No. Wix will now connect you to a customer care expert to help you further. And here you can choose to start a live chat or request a callback. They provide an estimated wait time on the callback too. And phone support is available in 9 languages, but the service hours do vary for some of them, so if you speak any of these languages and need support outside of the hours listed here, you can always search for an answer using the Wix Help Center. To do that, go to support.wix.com. You'll find hundreds of articles on the most frequently asked questions, most of which include images and helpful tips. But if you can't find your answer here, then Wix support should be able to help you when they reopen. You could submit a ticket whilst you wait, which sends an email to Wix with your question and they'll email you back. Of course, it's much easier to talk with somebody than it is scrolling through endless articles to find out that they haven't even answered your specific question. So if you do speak a language other than English, German, Portuguese, or Spanish, which offer 24/7 support, I would definitely note down the customer service hours just for your info, as it will be faster for you to get your questions answered during these service hours using the live chat or callback service than waiting for an email reply. Plus, you may have multiple, more complex questions that would be better suited to a live back and forth style chat with a person, rather than 15 emails back and forth on the same question. If you're starting out with Wix, we've included our affiliate link in the description box below. If you use that link, it helps us out by giving us some credit from Wix. So if you use that link, we really appreciate that. If you don't want to use it, that's okay. Just go to wix.com directly. If you found this Wix website tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any Wix website tips of your own or have any questions about the video or suggestions for what you'd like to see videos on, then please feel free to add them in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.